All right, y'all, we got the chocolate puff. This one looks a little bit more interesting, you know, got the little marks on top, a little bit more chocolate, who knows. But let's give this one a try. About the same price as the last one, 2 real, 53 cents. Let's see, 263 calories, 7 grams of protein, 12 grams of fat. Let's see if it tastes good. Okay, now here's the pastry. Look at it. It looks so beautiful. What the hell? It's glistening. All right, let's take a bite. Let's try. All right, a lot of chocolate. Wow, the lighting is good on this video. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, let's see. A lot of chocolate. Not too bad, not too bad. But I mean, for 53 cents, I'll take it.